So this is morning in Impound, third day of racing. We set a record yesterday. This is like 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. Everybody's trying to wake up. So all the cars behind the yellow line are in Impound, including us. Lights, noise, people, everybody wants coffee. Carl and Curtis, hard at it. Cars apart, oil's heating up. Compressor's on, we're charging the battery. Driver's putting his suit on because he's cold. It's about 60 degrees, 58, something like that. I'm just doing a walk this morning. Eddie's flashing us while he's getting dressed. Everybody's warming their cars up, trying to get ready to go. We're supposed to be on the road about 8 o'clock today. Kind of fun. Cars roaring. Not sure if you can see all these or not. This is we think a Toyota Supra or something. Set a record yesterday. Big old blown gas car over here smoking up. Truck for Brando. Set a record yesterday. There's people taking pictures of me taking pictures of them taking pictures. Today. And that is my lap through the Impound area, because I suppose Ed's going to want me to go back to work. Hoping for a good day.